The terminal installation process is just what it sounds like. You will be connecting the device to the battery terminals. Before you get started installing the device, make sure to download the app, choose Dealer Solutions if you haven't selected it before, and log in with your Ikon credentials. Click the Install tab and scan the device's serial number barcode. From there, enter the stock number, store group, VIN, color, vehicle type, and odometer reading. Review everything on the confirmation screen before hitting complete. When you're connecting the device to the battery terminals, your first move is to find a stable power source, which is the vehicle's battery. You'll often find it on the right side of the engine bay. This is common in vehicles like Kias, Subarus, or Toyotas. If you can't easily access the battery, you should look for the vehicle's jump posts, and you can place the device there. It's a consistently good location and often a great place for concealment. Now remember, you are working with a stable power source, so that means safety should come first. You should always use insulated tools. A single slip with a metal wrench across power and ground can fry a vehicle's powertrain control module, which could cost you thousands. To install this device, you will start by loosening the bolt on the terminal, sliding the connector in place, and tightening it down securely. If the battery is hard to reach or tucked away, use the jump post instead. Once connected, guide the wire neatly behind the battery or alongside the vehicle's main wiring harness. Zip ties are your friend here, so use them to keep everything tight, clean, and professional. It's important to keep any power connections tight. Loose power or battery connections create potential fire hazards, sparks, and all sorts of havoc on vehicles. Your goal should be to make it look as it belongs there. You should still conceal it well, but not to the extent that it is unable to receive a strong signal. Also, when installing, ensure you place the device face up. Pro tip: it's smart to zip tie the wiring to the existing harness, and you should always think about placing it where a thief wouldn't notice it. Jump posts are a great recommendation here. Doing this correctly makes sure that it can be effectively used for theft recovery if stolen from the dealership or from a car owner. Following these steps will ensure a safe and secure installation. Work safely, install confidently, and aim for a clean, professional result every time.